We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, continuing to fight to stay above the 440s and retesting key resistance levels. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot at 9:50 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. From that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with the SPY, continuing to fight here in this tight range between 442 and 444. I'm going to share with you guys the key levels I would watch going into the next trading day and what's going on with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 9:35 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. From that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 50% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are at the SPY, the SP 500 index, doing a full transition back down to red bars and back up to bright green in today's volatility. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY under a bull indicator since back here on last Thursday at around 437 area. Inflows crossed over, and this is the closest that the inflows have gotten to the midpoint again, and they've turned red from Friday to today. And we could see in this consolidation, not much going on, just sideways action, while outflows are sitting sideways as well, and the inflows are dominating at 0.61, even though it's red. It's going to be crucial and critical here into the next trading day for these inflows to stay above the midpoint, switch from red to green, and pull away from the midpoint to the upside, because if it does cross to the downside, it could quickly start to reflect that weakness into these charts by crossing the midpoint, outflows dominating and quickly pulling downwards to test key support levels and possibly cancel out this bull indicator with a possible bear indicator. Something I'll be watching very closely here going into the next trading day. I would not ignore this. This is going to be crucial and critical here on the 30-minute chart. Now, when we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we could see here in the 1 hour chart how the outflows have slowed down. Inflows have been above all this time, even though they were red, and they've bounced back up from around 1.50 above the midpoint, pulling away from it turning from red to green, back up to 2.37. And that bull indicator from way down here at 233 area continues to hold true. And the question mark is, could it continue this staircase effect to bounce up to higher levels, right? So that's what we're going to look at in today's video. And these inflows are going to be crucial to stay above the midpoint, because on the 30-minute, it's really close there to the midpoint and red. And on the 15-minute, in the volatility, it crossed over. In the first half of the day, you could see it there. Crossed back up, canceled out that bear indicator with a bull indicator here at 443.50. And it's going to be crucial and critical to continue pushing up higher and retesting key resistance levels, and for these inflows to roll over into the 30-minute, stay strong on the 1 hour to continue reflecting this possible strength into the charts. So what are the key levels I would watch? Well, the first thing is support, guys. The first support level is down here at 443 area. That's where things bounced off in the pre-market. It broke through it after the bell, broke back above it. 443 is going to be a key support level. It even tested it in the middle of the day. And if that gets broken through, the next support will be crucial, because I'll be watching if these outflows cross over to the downside. Does it pull down the 15-minute with it as well from green to red and back below, canceling out this bull indicator with a possible bear indicator and rolling over that weakness into the charts of the 30-minute. And the next support below that is the 440 area. And then below that level comes the 438 area. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the downside. And to the upside, I will be watching the first resistance level up here. And the first thing to go ahead and approach it and justify any further strength to the upside to reflect into these charts, these inflows need to pick back up here on the 30-minute from red to green, away from the midpoint to the upside. And on the 15-minute, continue to stay above, pull up higher, hold this bull indicator true here from 443.50 area. And on the 1 hour, continuing green and above the midpoint, and holding this bull indicator from down here at 433 area to continue that possible staircase effect here in these charts to the upside and continue with strength. And it rejected today, not that far off the highs from Friday at around 444.20 area. That's going to be the first resistance I will watch. Then above that comes the 445 area. And then the next level above that I'll be watching based off the history of the chart is the 447 to 448 area. These are crucial levels within the charts. And these inflow versus outflows, I'm going to be watching them very carefully. And they need to pull up higher on the 15-minute, on the 1 hour, and pull back up here on the 30-minute from red to green, pulling away from the midpoint to justify any further strength to the upside and any retest of resistance levels. As always, guys, these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, inflow versus outflow as well. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.